I can't believe how bad this Monstera looks. And it's not the only one. In fact, a lot of these plants look just as bad. Take a look at this. They look completely fried. And they have them up for sale. Who would buy them? Back in May, I visited this store and did a video. So today I stopped by because I wanted to see if things had improved. Unfortunately, they haven't. In fact, some of these plants actually look worse than they did when I came before. So this is my take on what's really going on. These plants are located on an outside atrium that has a glass ceiling. It feels like an oven in here. Whatever they're doing to keep these tropical plants comfortable just isn't working. But not all the plants are suffering. Towards the end of the video, I did find a few plants mixed in on the inside that were pretty nice. Wish I could have picked one of them up, but I just don't have any more room at my house. Overall, this Home Depot is still struggling with indoor plants. It's disappointing because these plants have so much potential with the right care. But I'd love to hear what you think. Have you ever gone to a store and the plants look like this? Let me know in the comments. I really want to know. The good news is the next Home Depot video that I have coming out is complete opposite of this one. The plants there are in much better condition, and I really did find some beautiful plants. Not all of the plants were in bad shape. These are pretty good right here. Real nice looking. This is definitely one of the more healthier plants that I found. But this variegated ring of fire is definitely my favorite of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, follow along and subscribe as the story grows. I'll see you soon.